It's time to start last minute Christmas shopping. Hi guys, and welcome to another Thank Truck It's Friday. Today's video is our Christmas gift guide of 2023, and I'm going to be running you through our top suggestions of Christmas gifts for you and your loved ones. So if you're anything like me and you haven't started Christmas shopping yet, no surprise there, then this video is going to be the perfect inspiration on what you can give someone this year. And I'm going to be doing it in less than 10 minutes because no one wants to hear me ramble about products for that long. So let's get going. Up first, we have a Kuda staple, the genuine Grace Make Poppy Air Freshener. These poppy air fresheners come in a luxury glass bottle and are supplied with a sticky pad, which is great for mounting on your dashboard. They require no power and come in a range of scents, including, please hold, citrus, vanilla, strawberry, pine, cherry, freesia, lavender, hibiscus and jasmine. My personal favourite, freesia. This one, jasmine. These air fresheners are only $12.95 excluding VAT. You can also purchase an LED base which light these air fresheners up in your cab, which is also available on our website. Just in case, you fancy lighting them up at night, with the winter around, an extra light in your cab, why not? Treat yourself. This one, hibiscus, different lights. Oh my gosh, I didn't actually realise that. The different bottles, different lights in your cab, because this one is pink light. That one was white light. Different scents, I didn't get that. I get it now. What is next? Ooh, okay. The TomTom. We got the TomTom next. Next up, we have one of our newest products, the TomTom Go Expert 7-inch Premium Pack. We're going up in the world. This is the exact same features from the previous TomTom that you know and love, but with some additional add-ons, so big win. So what do these features include? You may be wondering, well let me tell you. Luckily, it's on top of the box. I have got a list as well, don't you worry. Large vehicle routing with live restriction alerts, fast map updates via Wi-Fi, powerful speaker, I remember that on the last one, USB-C connection, trusted TomTom world maps, avoiding low emission zone, TomTom traffic, enhanced visual cues, and moving lane guidance. But there's so many more as well, you can check that over on our website. And in this box, as part of the premium pack, you get the TomTom, obviously, click and drive mount, car charger, USB-C cable, documentation and a case, which is very nice, I must say. I'll show you. I wasn't going to show you because I said I wouldn't ramble, but you guys have got to see what you're going to get. Look how nice it is. Look, it's got a nice little TomTom logo and a little thing. That's premium pack, see, premium edition. We'll have to see it. All of this for £449.99 excluding VAT, or just £18.75 a month. I can't stress the Klarna enough because you can pay such a small figure and then you can get someone such a nice gift as well, couldn't you? And then I'd be buzzing. I'd just be buzzing for the case, let's be honest. So of course, in our Christmas gift guide, I'm gonna have to mention this, the TruckChef Microwave. I'm gonna have to mention it. We rave about these all of the time, but we manufacture them right here in the UK, so of course we're gonna rave about them. They're the industry's leading 24-volt microwave oven with its 20-litre capacity, 800-watt cooking output, and fitting kits for almost every heavy truck. You will have absolutely no problem fitting a full-size dinner plate full of food right inside, even leftovers, which will save you so much money on the road. Prices start from £425 excluding VAT, or just £17.71 a month. I'm also going to put a link right here and some thumbnails of where you can see our TruckChef Microwave in action, just in case you want to see it in different vehicles or, I don't know, different scenarios. Future Millie is really hating me right now. At Kuda, we love lighting, so I could talk about this product for ages, but don't worry, I said I wouldn't ramble. Today we have the Strands Siberia Red Fox Worklight LED. A bold new side tube to Worklight in a category of its own, the ultra wide and long distance coverage light beam, the powerful warning light and the Siberia position light, made to turn heads in a compact package. We just love this light here at Kuda because it's just so bright. We have actually featured this light on a few trucks before and it's always super powerful and makes such an impact, so it had to be a recommendation. You can get this for £111.80p excluding VAT, or just £4.80p a month. £4.80p a month. What can that actually get you? Not even 10 packs. A 10 pack of Pepsi Max. That's £7 at the moment in Tesco's. 10 pack of Pepsi Max is £7 Tesco's, I'll have you know. So this per month, I know what I'd rather be getting for Christmas. Hint, hint. If anyone wants to get one of these, this would look so cool. If anyone wants to get one of these for Christmas, that's all I'm saying. So obviously air horns had to be mentioned, and a customer favourite is the 19 and 22 inch Hadley air horns with a fitting kit. So we might as well put it in the gift guide. You guys absolutely love these and send us images of these fitted on your vehicle, which we absolutely love, by the way. So we knew they had to get a mention, just in case some of our viewers hadn't heard of them or anyone wanted to get them as a gift this year. These shiny chrome finished air horns are bound to stand out, and they are perfect for truck shows as well as casual use whilst out and about. At 122 decibels, which is extremely loud, these are very loud horns. They can be heard from up to a mile away and come with a fitting kit of your choice. These horns are £219.95p excluding VAT, or just £9.16p a month. £9.16p a month for a full kit. Big win. Okay, I think we'll do one more so I'm not going on too long. I know you're probably fed up of seeing these products by now because we speak about them so much, but it's because it's such a good deal. Our last product in this Christmas gift guide is the White Diamond Deal Pack. £82 worth of cleaning products for £59. I feel like you all need to take a moment of how much you're getting in that deal. £59 it is, but it's worth £82. So it's £59, but it's actually worth 82. Mind blown. This deal pack includes a blue pearl, metal polish, high shine, quick detailer and spray dressing, which all are high quality products that work great on your vehicle to make it truly shine. And all of this for just £59 excluding VAT. I've already said that enough, but you get the idea. Anyway, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing a small insight into what Christmas gifts you can get for you or your loved ones this Christmas at Kuda. If you would like some more gift ideas, head over to our Facebook account where we'll be posting short videos of products from across our website that might help you this Christmas. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube account. Episode 12 of our Big Truck giveaway is out next week and you won't want to miss it. It's the winning episode. Our winner is finally picking up the truck and you won't want to miss it. It's going to be great. It's kind of emotional, but it's really great. It's going to be great. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Oh, also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a Christmas jumper, it's Christmas jumper day today. I don't just wear this every day. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.